Through my health journey and recovery from mold toxicity, I've recently passed my Level 1 certification to become an Integrative Health Practitioner. I've used your Laundry Additive, mold solution concentrate, and mold screening kits. Your products have been invaluable in giving me peace of mind that I'm doing all I can to reduce my exposure to mold in my home and on my clothes. Even after remediation, I used the mold screening kits to double check that the mold was gone. Unfortunately, it was not, and I've had to take additional measures. Using the Laundry Additive helps ensure that I'm not walking around with mold on me. I use the Laundry Additive every load, and I spray the mold solution concentrate on my carpeting and furniture for additional peace of mind that I'm doing all I can to knock down mold. Before the remediation was done, I would burn the candles to help pull mold spores out of the air. They were fantastic. No smell and helped to ensure the air I was breathing was cleaner. I'm torn between the Laundry Additive and concentrate as my favorite product. I think they work hand in hand by tamping down mold on products that I can't put in the washing machine. The Laundry Additive is great because it has no smell and helps remove mold spores from my clothes. I love your products and I'll be using them as I continue to eliminate mold and regain my health.